What up, everybody? Welcome back again with another tech type thing going on. Gonna be some background noise. I don't have these sanitized videos like all these curated YouTube channels. I'm real with real people, real lives. What's up, son? What's going on, man? What's up, little buddy? Huh? So anyway, I did something crazy. I went out and bought myself a Surron. Now, if you're not familiar with the Surron is basically it's like an e-motorcycle slash bicycle. And there's multiple versions. There's the street legal version, and then there's just the version that's not street legal, but it is off-road legal. It's my son running around with a bag of chips. You hear that crisping going on. That little he's bored. He's heading back downstairs. So I got the street legal version because I am looking to drive it to and from work. I was actually riding dirty for a while, but I got my plates today, put them on, no longer riding dirty. Bye. Bye, little buddy. So so I about the Surron. If you want to know about the Surron, just go online. There's enough videos out there. I don't need to start talking about the specifications and this, that, the other, and it's this fast and this many watts motor, all that stuff. You can find all that stuff online. I'm just gonna be like documenting, having fun, and upgrading my Surron and having a blast with this thing. So first off, I want to say shout out to Rad Germany. Is that what they're called? I do believe that they are called RadX. RadX Germany. I purchased this thing from them a few days ago, and I'm quite pleased with the delivery and whatever else. I am going to talk about some problems I had with the Surron in a follow-up video, and the service that RadX has been giving me. That'll be interesting because it's still an ongoing thing. It is not a finished process. It's not a finished thing, but we're going to look at that. So I will be talking about that, in terms of the Surron, but in terms of its specifications, whatnot, guys, go on YouTube, go online. You will find loads of material on what this thing is and how it operates, whatever else. But I'm just going to talk about why I got it and what I'm doing with it. We're going to have some videos of me out on the trail with it. But basically, I wanted a toy, and I was like, I'm just gonna buy myself one more toy. I got my drones and I got my Skydio, and I can't wait to combine the two and get my Skydio together with the Surron to get some just crazy footage. Now, I did the whole mountain bike thing that I had with my mountain bike with my GoPro mounted on the handlebars. I put the GoPro on the Surron. I got my phone mount and whatever else, and it's been a blast. Just blazing through the forest with this thing. German forests and to and from work, and everybody, I tell you, this thing gets a lot of attention. You would say it's not spectacular, but it's spectacular, obviously, and the attention is always from men because we love our toys. And that thing, man, it just gets a whole ton of attention. So let's go ahead and just get into the videos where I started riding. We'll see you guys. So I went and did it. I got a Surron. I got the Light B Street Legal version, 3,000 watt motor. When you remove the speed limiter up to 80 kilometers an hour. But here it is. Let's unpack this thing and put it together. So there's enough unpacking and construction videos out there, but I just wanted to say this thing is very well packed. I see do I have the Fox shocks on here? What's the shocks? Oh, these are the Surron shocks. Well, that's disappointing. The Fox shocks would have been better. How unfortunate.
A few moments later.
Now, the beauty of all these e-devices, e-bikes, e-scooters, e-motorcycles, is that they make stuff like this accessible easily. I mean, that's the beauty of it, in my humble estimation. Let's just go landscape here. This would be not a half a day's ride or a quarter's day ride, but it would be a good hour to get here. I've done this in minutes. This is just, the beauty of it all. You can get out here, get riding, just enjoy yourself, not think about, like I am right now, by sunrise, which I have to, but I don't have to think about it because I can get back and still make it in time. But let's do just that. Let's get back and make it in time. This is the initial ride. I got this today, and I'm loving it. So that was it. That was the first day on the bike. I got more footage, obviously. I mounted my GoPro to the handlebar, my cell phone to the handlebar, and hopefully I can align the two. Now I see why they use those little clip things so you can, like, know where the video is on different cameras at the same time. I'm gonna have to figure something out for like syncing these videos between the phone and the whatchamacallit, the GoPro. But yeah, hopefully I can do some split screen stuff. It looks really cool, one looking forward, one looking at me. Yeah, that was the ride. It was fun. I kept it short, but if I go out and I ride, I record some sort of content, for lack of a better term, on the bike. So Surron, it's a blast. It's fun. Get you one.